In this question, we're asked to find the equation of the tangent at x equals 4. For the equation y is equal to 2x minus 2 squared plus 3. So this equation is in turning point form. The turning point, we can read off this as the negative of that. So it's positive 2 and then positive 3 on the outside. So the graph will look something like this. So the turning point will be at x equals 4. That's somewhere on the right. It's going to look something like that. So what we'd first have to do is expand out our equation for y. So y is equal to 2 and then x squared minus 4x plus 4 and then plus 3. So this will be 2x squared minus 8x plus 2 times 4, which is 8, and then plus 3, which is 11. Then from here we can evaluate dy dx. So dy dx is the derivative, and this is going to help us find the gradient of this tangent at x equals 4. So this would be equal to 4x minus 8, and then if we substitute in x equals 4, what we're going to get is 16 minus 8 for our gradient. So dy dx is equal to 4 times 4, 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. Therefore, we know that the equation is in the form y is equal to 8x plus c, but we don't know c. So what we have to do is find the point on the line to find the c value. So we know that x equals 4 is on the line because that's where we're finding the tangent for. So we can substitute that into y. So it'll be y is equal to 2 and then 4 minus 2 squared plus 3 to get the y value. So this would be 4 minus 2 squared. So that's 2 squared, which is 4. Multiplying by 2 is 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. So the coordinate is 4, 11. When we substitute that back into here, we get 11 is equal to 8 multiplied by 4 plus c. Therefore, c is equal to 11 minus 32, which is equal to negative 21. Therefore, the equation of the tangent is equal to y is equal to 8x minus 21. The next question asks us to find the equation of the normal at x is equal to 2. So usually what we'll do in this case is the gradient of a normal line is equal to negative 1 over the gradient of a tangent line. And this is because the gradient of the normal line and the tangent line are perpendicular to each other. So let's say if we had the tangent line at x is equal to 4, it's going to look something like this. So it passes through the same point, but it's at 90 degrees from our tangent line. However, they're asking for the normal line at x is equal to 2. Where's x equal to 2 on our graph? It's here. What's the normal line going to look like? Well, we can see that x equals 2 is actually where our turning point is. The tangent looks something like this. So the normal is going to be 90 degrees to that. So it's just going to go straight up like that. What's the equation of this line? Well, it's a purely vertical line at x is equal to 2. Therefore, the equation is just simply x is equal to 2 for the normal line.